to here. We are again back with another market update session. This video is being posted after lots of time, so sorry for that. But today we'll analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame and 30-minute time frame. Today the video is very important because we will discuss some important stuff on BTC, on current situation of markets, on 4-hour time frame and 30-minute time frame. So before we get into the video, we would like to show you our Discord VIP where we made some losses in previous week, but we're gonna recover it easily because we follow proper risk management. Currently I can't show you the signal section because we are in some scalp trades and swing trades, but these all is my VIP Discord where we have separated the section, the trade idea section, the announcement section, the discussion section, and the TA course section. But we can show you the gain section as well, the TA section. Okay, so this is our TA section. So this is basically my TA section where we post important stuff regarding to TA course. So this section is basically for those who want to learn TA and all those stuff. Okay, so this is my VIP Discord, VIP, which is based on Discord, not on Telegram, because Telegram is full of bugs and proxy issue and all those stuff. Okay, so if you want to join me on Discord VIP, you can DM me on Telegram or Twitter. I will let you know what's the criteria to join me on Discord. So currently we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. What is happening right now? So let's start the video with top down analysis. What we can see, in my previous video I clearly warned you guys that trend is bearish. You can confirm this by going to my description or as well by scrolling down to my previous videos. But what is happening currently in market? Okay, what retailers are thinking, they are seeing this all stuff that is basically a bearish structure. We just converted right here into bullish one. Okay, so what is happening right now, we have a hidden demand zone in this area. That would be basically our VIP stuff. If you join us on VIP, we will let you know what his hidden demand zones and how to trade them. Okay, so what is happening right now, we have hidden demand zones right here. We had hidden demand zone in this area, and which retailers would catch as a perfect top to short it from this area, and they would be considering this area to go long on BTC again. Why? Because they would be they were basically considering this resistance to act as support to trade this area. This was basically for them as a area of resistance. And when market came down, here was basically CPI data was announced, and I told you on my Twitter as well Telegram to be careful if you are in long position, and I warned you lots of times. Okay, so what happened next? Liquidity, because the main idea is after news, price also goes towards that area where liquidity lies. So we have strong belief on liquidity. That's why we warned you lots of time to not go long on altcoins as well when BTC was around this area. So what were retailers considering in this area? They were considering this resistance to act as support while price was around this area. So they were basically long from this zone. Okay, so retail traders were long from this area. So price came down and then filled their orders. What happened next? Then they price went down, and the institutional traders moved the market against them. What happened next? Their stop orders got triggered, and all the retail traders got kicked out from this price action. Okay, so this was the move which happened from 10 to 20 days, probably 10 to 15 days, while I didn't made any video on YouTube. Okay, so what is happening right now in market? So let's jump into 30-minute or 40-minute time frame. That would be easy for you guys to understand these analysis. Okay, let's jump into 30-minute time frame first and analyze what is happening right now. Okay, so the idea is quite simple. What is happening right now in market? We can see that we had a weak hand right here, weak hand right here, weak hands right here. All these weak hands shifted toward the strong hand by this move up. And what is happening right now, while weak hands shifted toward the strong hand, what was next? The next was this area, the golden order block right here, which was mitigated by this move down, and this made our biases more strong, and we predict this move that price gonna move up to, from this area, and it has to mitigate into targeted areas, which is basically these areas. Okay, so what is happening right now, if I remove all this stuff and give you the one side prediction today as well. So what is happening currently right now in market? We can see we have liquidity towards upside as well, this area as well, because if we see, this is acting as a two equal lows, and we know that liquidity obviously lies below the two equal lows. So what we can expect right now from market, we can expect a small move down. Why that move would be towards downwards? Because filling those orders, or converting those retail traders who are currently bullish now, by breaking this low they might be bearish, and the composite man obviously will move the market against them. So once this two equal lows get liquidated, what would be next? Our next target would be along towards this area. This would be basically an order block right here, and this imbalance based on 4-hour time frame. So similarly, if we see towards the volume profile, we can see that liquidity lies towards these areas. Okay, so this makes our biases more strong for today's market update session. So what is the move market? We can see a move down towards this area, liquidating these two equal lows, because liquidity lies below these two equal lows. Then what would be next? Then our next target would be a long positions toward this area. Our first target would be this area, and the other remaining target would be this and this. So what would be the move? This, we can expect this move, small move down, then up, consolidation in this area, and might be move toward this area, and then we will find short opportunities either from this area or either from this zone. But that's not the stuff to be discussed right now. So this was whole today's market update session based on top down analysis as well volume profile indicator. So hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram for free trading signals, and follow me on Twitter. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.